Secretary Kim, signing off. Kimi, nalungkot na nagtapos na ang What's Wrong with Secretary Kim.
I'm overheated, can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreaming. You're the reason why, hiding by the baby.
Makalipas ang halos 3 buwan, tuluyan ang namaalam ang actress na si Kim Chiu sa kanyang role sa Philippine adaptation ng K-drama na What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Magugunitang nagumpisang ipalabas ang serye noong March 18 sa streaming app na View at natapos ang 40 episodes nito noong June 12. Sa Instagram, inamin ni Kim na hindi siya makapaniwala na tapos na ang pinagbibidahan niyang show katambal ang aktor na si Paolo Avellino. Ganun pa man, marami raw siyang napulot na aral mula sa kanyang karakter. As I close another character I played, I always learn something or have this takeaway trait that I will keep inside my pocket as I turn my back to that particular role. There were so many doubts, confusion, fear, and unsure thoughts. But all I did was trust the process. Caption ng actress. Kalakip ang isang video na pinagsama-sama ang ilang scenes niya sa show. Kasunod niyan ay isa-isa na niyang pinasalamatan ang lahat ng bumubuo sa What's Wrong with Secretary Kim. Wika niya, thank you to the captain of our ship, Direk at Chad Vidanes, for the patience and guidance throughout the series, and to my leading man at Pao Avellino for accepting the role and having my back during those tough days. Kasama rin sa mga binanggit ng actress ay ang View Philippines, Dreamscape Entertainment at ang buong staff and crew, at syempre ang ilan pang mga artista na nakatrabaho niya sa serye. Mensahe pa nga niya, grabe, everyone brought their A game sa set. Like literally, everyone. Hashtag teamwork makes the dream work. It is. At speaking of Dreamscape, nagbigay-pugay rin si Kim sa dating head nito, ang yumaong Deo Endrenal. To Sir Deo, thank you po ng sobra-sobra. I know you are watching us from up above. I hope we made you proud. We miss you and this project is for you. Anya. Sa comment section, maraming fans ang tila nalungkot dahil natapos na ang sinusubaybayan nila kay Kim. Narito ang ilan sa mga nabasa namin. Congrats, Secretary Kim. Definitely better than the original. Philippine flag emoji. I am kind of sad because now I am no longer feeling the excitement to wait for another episode. We will miss you, Secretary Kim. Nakakasad naman, patapos na ang linlang. Pati ba Secretary Kim tapos na? We miss you, Kim and Pao. Mamimiss namin ang What's Wrong with Secretary Kim at si Secretary Kim at BMC. Ang galing niyong lahat. Congratulations team! What's Wrong with Secretary Kim? Bukod kina Kim at Paolo, tampok rin sa Philippine adaptation series sina Janice de Belen, Romnick Sarmenta, Pepe Herrera, JC Alcantara, Jay Cuenca, Jillian Vicencio, Kai Cortez, Yves Flores, at marami pang iba. Maraming ngang Kim Pao supporters ang sobrang nalungkot dahil wala na silang aabangan gabi-gabi para sa paborito nilang Kim Pao tandem. Pero wag malungkot dahil for sure may gagawing proyekto ulit ang Kim Pao. Kaya naman tumutok at wag na wag pahuhuli sa mga maiinit na kaganapan. Anong inyong magiging reaksyon sa bidyong ito? Comment below.